Want to earn more in 2024? ChatGPT is your ticket to high-income skills. Imagine having a personal coach available 24/7. That's ChatGPT for you. Here are some quick tips on leveraging this AI to skyrocket your career. First, identify the skills you need. Ask ChatGPT, what high-income skills should I learn? For up-to-date info, use Perplexity AI, since ChatGPT's data is from April 2023. Next, create a learning plan. Prompt ChatGPT with "Make a personalized plan to learn, insert skill by end date." It'll give you timelines, resources, and more. Need to simplify complex topics? Just ask, explain, insert topic in simple terms. ChatGPT makes learning easy. Want practice? Get feedback by asking ChatGPT for quizzes or revisions on your work. Finally, polish those problem-solving skills. Pose scenarios like how to increase website traffic by 15% in 3 months. ChatGPT sparks creative solutions. Start using ChatGPT today. Watch your career and salary soar.